will take one by one the attendees over here, and we basically would like to know about your background. So we will be starting with Augustine. Augustine, if you can unmute yourself and just briefly introduce yourself with us. Augustine, can you unmute yourself? Or anybody else from the list of attendees for today? So if they can briefly introduce themselves, about their education and their qualification, organization they are working with. Host, can you just check if people can unmute themselves? If not, please give rights to them. Or if you are not really comfortable in speaking, then you can put it on the chat box. So it will give us an idea about your background. Yeah, I can see Augustine, you unmute yourself. Would you like to speak something? So you can unmute yourself and you can speak. So now we will be starting this session. Today's session, first of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Sonia, and I'm a part of Empower School of Health. I'm basically into a partnership and sales division, and this webinar is majorly focused on is we will also be exploring the career opportunities in digital health. And for today's session, we have an expert. She will be taking care the information or on your queries, which is specifically focused on digital health and how it will help you in your professional growth and career opportunities. So for today, we have a session. We have an expert, and her name is Dr. Harpreet Kaur. She's an associate professor with Empower School of Health. This session will be a 1 hour session, and in the beginning, we will be basically telling you how digital health will help you. Plus, we have few other a part of the session as well. So the next slide will be focused on. There is a video which will basically address is a postgraduate diploma in digital health right path for you. So this will give you a glimpse of our courses that empower School of Health and how digital health will help you in your career growth. So I'll be playing the video for you all. Please enjoy.
The future of healthcare is digital. Are you ready to be a part of it? Over the past decade, the public health sector has transformed, increasingly adopting digital tools and technologies. Unsurprisingly, the COVID-19 pandemic accelerated this transformation, highlighting the vital role of digital health in our future. This transformation has created a surge in demand for professionals skilled in digital health, opening the doors for a new era of healthcare innovation. At Empower School of Health, we're leading the way in educating professionals across the globe in public health. With over 250,000 professionals trained across 100+ countries, our online, in-person, and technical programs are shaping the future of healthcare. Empower's digital health courses, in collaboration with Unitar, offer a comprehensive understanding of the landscape, from the tools driving healthcare innovation to real-world applications. Designed to foster career growth, these courses prepare you for numerous roles, shaping the future of healthcare innovation and management. Our courses offer flexible, self-paced learning in an engaging online format, making complex topics accessible experts, world-class books, articles, and case studies. Learn from a diverse team of world-class faculty, experts in their domains, guiding you through every step of this transformative journey. Empower's digital health course offers a pathway to success across all career levels. Whether you're stepping into the field, advancing into management, or leading change in digital health, helping shape the future of healthcare. Empower your career with the future of healthcare. Enroll today and be part of the digital transformation in healthcare.
Thank you so much for playing that video, Sonia. And I would like to welcome all the attendees to today's session. So before we begin diving into the postgraduate diploma in digital health, I would actually like to ask you all, uh, do you really think that it is relevant to study digital health right now? Why do you think there is a need for you getting a degree or a certificate or a diploma in digital health? Would anyone like to say anything for this? You can also type it in the chat. What made you join for today's session? What do you think is the significance of digital health? You can also type it in the chat, or you can unmute yourself and please talk about it. Anyone from the audience? So I can see that a couple of you have also typed it in the chat. Uh, Augustine. So, Augustine, you have written that you would like to know more about the postgraduate diploma in digital health. Why do you think that, this postgraduate diploma would be helpful in your career? Or I can also see there is Hodablo Avizoba. I hope I'm pronouncing it correct. So he's also from biomedical sciences. So also interested in digital health. Come on, guys, speak up. All right, I think no one wants to talk about it right now. So, or is anyone typing it in the chat yet? So, we all know that digital health is pretty important in today's scenario, right? And especially after COVID-19 pandemic, when it pushed digitization across all sectors. So healthcare was no lesser than anything. So you know what, digitization has actually helped increase the access to medicine to people, especially in the underserved region, in the rural regions. Telemedicine, electronic health records, m-health, even the smart watches that you wear, the wearable devices. Also, with the advent of artificial intelligence, machine learning, there is so much that is going on in this domain. So it is very important that you get yourself skilled, you get the knowledge, you get the basic understanding of what digital health is, what its basic domains are, how to move ahead in this field. So, considering this only, we had our own team of academics and digital health experts who are like on the top of digital health domain in various fields. So they came together and they curated a curriculum for us to give a comprehensive understanding of digital health. So, this curriculum that you are seeing right now on the screen is our digital health programs curriculum. So, it will not just introduce you to what digital health is, what its components are, what does WHO mean by digital health, but you'll also get an understanding of how digital health has helped in transforming healthcare, how pre-COVID time the healthcare was, and how during COVID there was a surge in the digital health technologies, which led to the transformation of healthcare, which led in combating the pandemic. Next, we also talk about innovations in digital health. Now, innovations is not just about technological innovation, that we have AI or ML or big data, bioprinting. But apart from that, we also talk about how digital health is enabling personalized care, is also helping the consumers decide upon it. So there are many relevant studies that report how digital health integration actually helps in enhancing healthcare. So be it across for non-communicable diseases or communicable diseases, digital health interventions are always helpful. Then, of course, in technological advancements, we discuss about the latest technology that is helping us move forward in this domain. We discuss about AI, about ML, about bioprinting, about big data and data analytics, and many more things. We'll also take you through a module on healthcare revolution, where how healthcare has evolved because of the digital transformation. We also talk about ethics. It is very important that the digital health is practiced, the interventions, they are implemented in an ethical way. There are several guidelines regarding the policy governance models, which are pretty much significant and which are required to be known in order to successfully implement a digital health intervention. Now we all know that how significant digital health is in today's domain. So what do we need? People. Then we also need leaders in this domain. We also need people who understand, who can carry this onus on their shoulders, who can take it forward. That is where the leadership module comes in. It teaches you what leadership is, what its style are, and it also discusses case studies from leadership in digital health. Next, we also have a module on health informatics and data standards. Health informatics, of course, is very important when you are going to study about digital health, about the interoperability, how to design the interventions, and what are the data standards that need to be considered while we are designing a digital health intervention. Then, of course, once you have designed an intervention, you must know how to evaluate it, how to monitor it. So the next module focuses on the approaches, on the evaluation models, on how to design, develop, and iterate upon a human-centered or a user-centered digital health intervention, how to evaluate it and how to monitor it for having a better health outcome. Next is a very interesting module where we discuss about the professional opportunities and careers in digital health. We discuss what are the skills that are required to move forward in this career. What are the various career pathways that you can take while you are doing this. And last, we wrap up this course with a module on global strategies on digital health. We discuss what all strategies are in place, how the global digital health monitor is there, how various countries are following the framework set up by it, what is the, ranking of various countries in it, and how the global audience is looking at it for the global strategies on digital health. Now, as I also discussed earlier, these are our list of eminent advisors and faculty. So if you see, they are all on the very experienced people. They are experts in digital health. They've helped curate the curriculum, the modules, the course structure, the chapter design. So you will get a diverse perspective from all these stakeholders. They will talk about their experiences and how to, integrate digital health, how to ethically practice digital health, what digital health is all about. So you will get a holistic perspective in this course. It is about not just the different perspective, but also about regional dimensions. So we have SMEs from across the globe who will talk about their experiences on digital health. So why wait, that would be seriously my comment right now. You all know the significance of digital health. That is why we all are here, isn't it? So we all know that digital health is the way to move forward in healthcare. So we certainly need some type of knowledge if we want to move ahead in this. So I would actually like you all to encourage, please go ahead. If you want to enhance your skills, if you are working right now but you want to foray into the domain of digital health, or you want to advance in your career, or even if you want to understand, have basic knowledge of what digital health is all about, I would ask you to take up this course. So if you are passionate about digital health, about acquiring the competences of digital health, about how digital health is impacting the globe all over, so this is the right time for you. And I would like you to take up this course, the course of Empower, which is a postgraduate diploma in digital health. Also, along with this, I would like to share with you some of the testimonials that our existing students have given us. So here, this is a testimonial from a doctor. So he is from Ethiopia. And like you can all see here on screen, he has said that this course has helped him immensely understand how digital health can be used to manage NCDs. So I'm sure you must be having some questions regarding and my team has also pasted in a link for the same. You can also click on the link. This will take you to our page on our website where you can go and explore more about it. So before we begin with the information on how to enroll, what discounts are available for you today, and how to move forward with this course, I would like to open the floor for any questions if any one of you have. You can also put it in the chat box.
Thank you all for your patience and to listening the information that was shared by Dr. Harpreet in reference to the digital health. I would request you all, if you have any specific question related to the subject for today's webinar, that will be addressed by Dr. Harpreet. I can see Ibrahim is there and is asking for how to enroll in the course. Ibrahim, about the courses and the special offers that we provide just for today's attendees, that will be shared with you all in a couple of minutes. But if you have any specific question that will help you out in reference to the digital health, related to, so you can ask that particular question, and that will be addressed by the speaker for today's webinar. So we will be waiting for a few minutes and then we will be move on to next session. I would really encourage you all to please participate in this Q&A session. Augustine is asking for any discounts. Yes, we have some promotion discounts available for today's attendees, but for that, you really need to be bear with us for a few more minutes. And we basically would like to give this time slot for a Q&A session just related to the topic. If you have any questions related to, as in how this course will help you in your career professional growth, or how important is this course is really for your career growth, if you have those questions in your mind, you can ask right in front of the speaker for today's webinar and she will help you out.
So before we move forward, I would also like you all to take you through this slide. So this slide depicts the possible career opportunities in digital health. So, digital health is a ever-growing domain and it offers numerous career opportunities across various levels. So, you can also start from the entry level or the mid-level position. You can also go to leadership positions in digital health. There are specialty roles, technical roles, also emerging roles in be it AR, VR. So you guys can go up. You guys, after doing this course, after having necessary skills in digital health, you can pursue these many possible careers. This is just a snapshot of the possible career opportunities, and I'm sure there are many more career options available in digital health. So, as also, I would like you to take you through a graph where it depicts how the digital health market is expanding right now. Uh, can you please just wait for a second? So I hope you can all see this graph right now, right? So you can easily see the trend that is depicted right here. You know, the market size, which is going to increase. So if you consider today, the year 2025, the global digital health market size stands at $427, $427 million, which is expected to increase to 1190 billion dollars by the year 2032, which is not even 10 years. So the surge in digital health is already there. You have to get the necessary skills, you have to get the necessary knowledge in order to move forward in this field. So I know that a lot of you have posted questions for uh, regarding how to enroll and the scholarship opportunities. I would actually like Sonia to take you all through that slide. And also, I can see Augustine's comment where he's asking, does one need to have a master's degree after completing the PG diploma? So, Augustine, this is a postgraduate diploma. This is a 1 year course. This is not a master's course. So, Sonia, over to you regarding how to get the admissions. What are the special discount for today's audience only? So, only those people who are attending this webinar, the special discount is for them. So, over to you, Sonia.
Thank you, Dr. Harpreet, for your insights in reference to the topic for today's. I hope the information will be beneficial for all the attendees for today's session, and we'll look forward for your engagement. So now, as mentioned earlier, how Empower does support you in onboarding process. So what is the contribution actually Empower is providing in order to capacity building of the applicants who have applied or have ever shown their interest to this course? And let me explain to you all. The course in postgraduate diploma in digital health, we are providing this course in collaboration with Unitar. So sign up information and exclusive discounts. So let me just briefly tell you all about it. So first of all, I would like you to go through with the enrollment process, how actually you can go and, check the courses of your interest. Today's session is specifically focused on digital health, but yes, we have other courses also available. So if you think that you have interest in some other domain, as in pharmaceutical, supply chain, data management, so we have postgraduate diploma on these domains as well, but focusing on digital health. So this slide will give you an idea how the application page will look like. You need to visit our website. The link has been posted on the chat box. So you need to click on the link. This course specifically, you have to go to this course specifically, and then you need to click on the I am interested tab over there, and a small inquiry form as in like this will be opened over there. You need to fill up your details, and on the left side also you can see there are other related information that is available, related to fee, related to the content of that specific course. All the information is there, and you can also download the brochure. So how to apply? So the link is there, and it has also been posted on the chat box. Then you can apply on the, you can select your specific batch. So generally we have 4 session batches in a year, but and currently we are taking April to June session, and the session for this will be closing on 15th of May. So I would request you all to please apply before this date. Then a generic information on this small checkbox, which I have just shown to you in the previous slide. You would need to put your basic information over there, as in gender, years of experience, field, all this information. Then your submission application will be submitted with us, and our team will get connected with you. We will be requiring few basic documents from your end to, actually verify the authenticity of your qualification. So those documents are mentioned over here. Host, would you please mute for some time, because I can see people are speaking. Okay. And for any further information, there is an email ID that is mentioned on this slide and the phone number. So if you would like to speak to somebody, you can dial on the number over there. I would request host to please put the email ID and the number on the chat box so people can reach out to us. Fee structure for postgraduate diploma in digital health. So you can see over here the initial fee. Generally, the fee. Okay, so the fee for this course is $3,000. That is exclusive of taxes and bank charges. As explained, we have 4 sessions per year, and currently we are taking enrollments for April to June session. So as mentioned earlier, for today's attendees, we have special discounts. That is 30% discount. Generally, we don't provide this much, but as explained to you, we also would like to contribute in capacity building of the people over there, and we really would like to, people to be focused on their career growth, specifically for the Africa region. And generally we this is the discounts that we are currently offering. So the final fee for 12-month postgraduate diploma in digital health will be, after 30% discount, it will be $2,100. And you can pay this fees in installments also, as per your convenience. That is 3 to 4 installments within 8 months, because the course is for 12 months. So we encourage the students to cover their fee within 8 months, but we can also split. So please talk to us. We will do the installment plans as per your convenience. And to get actually be benefited with 30% discount, you really need to enroll before 30th of April, because this is a timeline restricted offer that we provide for today's attendees. So I would request you to please promptly connect with us so we can help you out with your onboarding process to the course. Let's move on to next slide. Okay, so as explained by Dr. Harpreet, and in one of the few slides, we were talking about the long-term course, that is postgraduate diploma in digital health. But if you think that you are more comfortable in joining the course or starting your journey with us by enrolling yourself with starting short courses, so we also have option of short courses that is for 2 to 3 months, specifically focused on digital health. So you can see on the screen, we have 6 courses, and some of other short courses will be launching soon, and that will be covered in upcoming slides. So you can see over here, the first short course, it is related to digital health technologies and innovation, policy and governance in digital health informatics, data standards, and cybersecurities, and there are 3 more. So the link has been posted on the chat box. You can see over there. And if you enroll before 30th of April, you are entitled to get 25% discount. And this is a flat discount. And the short courses, they are between 500 to 600 USD. Next slide, as explained to you, we will be launching 4 more short courses, maybe by mid of this month. And please regularly visit our website if you are interested in any of the courses. But I would request you start your career by available courses, and then you can move on to next other courses. And if you really would like to enroll in altogether a package, then it is recommended to you all to enroll yourself in the postgraduate diploma for 12-month course. And for the upcoming courses also, because since I mentioned that this will be launched by mid of this month, so if you enroll before 30th of April, you are entitled to get 25% discount on short courses, 30% discount on postgraduate diploma. So now we will be moving on to Q&A session. If you have any question related to how to enroll, what is the fee structure, or related to the topic for today's, we are happy to take that. And I can see there are many questions or comments on the chat box. So let me just take them one by one.
I want to know how the fees payment goes like. This is Abraham from Liberia.
Yeah, Ibrahim, I'm so sorry I didn't get you. You were asking about the fee payment. Can you please repeat your question again?
Yes, I'm asking about the fees payment. How the payment go like? It goes like installment or what?
Yeah, so it's completely up to you. If you would like to make the payment upfront, you can do that, but you can also make the payments in installments also. So generally, we recommend people to cover their fee within 8 months for postgraduate diploma because the course is for 12 months. And that is completely upon your convenience, whether you would like to split the fee in 4 to 5 installments or you would like to pay it at front. I hope I'm able to answer your question, Ibrahim.
Yes, but I still have more questions.
Yeah, please go ahead. Yeah.
Yeah, my question also has to do with oh I'm just a high school graduate. I don't have any other degree. So if I enroll in this institution after the program, are you gonna give me like a degree, online degree? And if I'm giving the online degree, how am I gonna be, sold in the world as a digital or health practitioner?
Okay, Abraham, for this specific question, I would request Harpreet to please respond to your question.
Okay, I'm waiting.
Yeah, Abraham. So, this program, this course is a postgraduate diploma in digital health, and you will be given a certificate on completion, which will be with our partner UNITAR. UNITAR is United Nations Institute for Training and Research. We also have people from UNITAR join in here today. You can get more details from our brochure as well. So our program is in collaboration with UNITAR, and you will get a combined certificate from Empower and UNITAR on completion of this course.
Okay, thank you. I understand it. But also, how tangible it is, and how am I going to pay this money? Where? How? Like, which platform am I going to pay the money on? Because the entire program, I observe that it is an online program. So where am I going to pay the money?
Yeah, so this is an online program, and we have our own learning management system on which we host this program. So once you enroll for this program, you will be given login credentials for the same, and you can go and do the course as per your own convenience. When you are free, you can go and listen to the video lectures that are there. We have provided plenty of reading material of research papers, book chapters. We have also uploaded PDF book chapters for the students to go through. And along with that, we also have discussion forum for specific topic. We have expert sessions every month, which can also help you in better understanding the course. So these are our course features. If you want more detail, there is also a brochure which our team has just now shared in the chat. You can go through that as well.
And
Okay, that
also,
was
in
something.
addition, if you are really very unsure whether you would like to take the postgraduate or not, we also, as explained, we have short courses also. So you can start your journey with us by enrolling yourself. And anyways, you are getting 25% discount for now, so that won't be costing you high. So you can just to start your career and to see the how the content and how the course will look like and how helpful it will be. You can enroll yourself to the short courses, and then if you think that yes, it is helpful for you, then you can move on to the long term course. My recommendation would be like this for you. Any more questions?
No, not really. There's no more question. Just to commend you for the good work. It was nice speaking to you.
Thank you. So, for any future queries and questions, if you have, the email ID and the contact details is mentioned on the chat box. You can also visit our website to see or to get connected with us. The brochures has already been put in over there. Again, I'm mentioning that if you would like to take an advantage of getting the special discounts that has been offered to you all right away, please get connected with us. Enroll yourself before 30th of April this month to get yourself, and you will be onboarding and you can start your journey with us. I can see there is a question for you, Dr. Harpreet, how useful it is for pharmacists.
So thank you for posting this question, Mohammed. In healthcare, be it doctors, nurses, allied healthcare professionals, pharma people, digital health is getting integrated everywhere. So the electronic health records you do, the clinical decision support system, even the automation, everything is going digital right now. So it is very important for each and every stakeholder of the healthcare ecosystem to know about digital health. So don't consider it like, if you are not a doctor, if you're not a nurse, it won't be useful for you, but it is going to ultimately be useful for you, because when your source is going digitized, then ultimately each and every stakeholder associated with it will need to be having the same skills. You should be able to speak the same language that the other people are speaking. So if they're talking in terms of digital health, you also need to understand what it is. You should understand how to apply it in your particular context. So it is important for everyone to have this knowledge. I hope I was able to answer your question. So anyone else, if you guys have any questions, queries, we still have 10 more minutes to go. Please either unmute yourself, or you can post your questions or comments in the chat box. Otherwise, we have also posted in the email IDs of our team. You can always, if you have any query, please write back to us and we'll get back to you with the proper answers.
Thank you.
So if no more questions or comments or queries, we would like to conclude this session today. So thank you so much, everyone, for joining in today. And we really look forward to, having you on board with us. In case if you have any questions and queries, please get back to our team. Thank you so much for joining the session.
Thank you all.